So I need to get that off there. I'll show you how you do it. Gonna want to hold it in the vise. I could hold it on there, but I'll probably still damage the thread. I'll show you how. Alrighty, let's put them in the vise that way so they grip on when you tighten it up. So I'll just tighten it up. Bit of that. Alright, we'll see what happens. That was quite rusty on there. It's one way to do it. Another way is to, well, you can use some soft jaws, some aluminium. It's quite handy. So the other way is to get two spanners, one on that side and one on that side, and you just tighten them together. That's how you wind them in, the stud in, and that's how you want to get the stud out, you wind it that way. If you want to wind it in, you wind it that way. You just break the nuts back off and undo it. Nice and tight. Good thing with the nuts, you can do them in the lathe as well.